One of the biggest things going around the internet right now is AI. And you might have seen this pop up all over social media, whether it's AI art or AI portraits or the new AI chatbots that are writing songs or poems about random topics. I mean, look at these things. They're pretty cool. I wish I looked this good. And of course, this got my wheels spinning in a completely different direction and ultimately led me to the question of whether or not AI will one day replace me. Now, for years in the financial advisory space, there's been plenty of discussion about whether or not things like robo-advisors could actually replace financial advisors. And these were mainly investment-focused platforms that essentially just build you an asset allocation based on some form of questionnaire. I've always maintained the position that there are going to be people out there that are just fine using a platform like this to manage their investments. But there's going to be a lot of people like me who get irritated every time they see a chatbot function instead of a phone number on a website. Now, so far, AI has really been limited to investment management, but now that AI continues to get better and better, the question that I wonder is whether or not AI can plan your retirement. Hey everybody, I'm Johnathan Rankin. I'm the founder and CEO of Theorem Wealth Management. My firm and I have been helping clients plan and execute their retirement plans by focusing on three key areas: maximizing retirement income, optimizing investments, and reducing taxes. If you're thinking about retiring or you're already retired, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of our retirement videos or episodes of our retirement podcast called The Retire Once Show. Now in today's video, we'll be discussing whether or not AI can plan your retirement. First, let's define what we mean by AI and planning your retirement. AI, or artificial intelligence, refers to computer systems that are designed to mimic human intelligence and behavior. This can include tasks such as learning or problem solving and decision making. On the other hand, planning your retirement involves considering factors such as your savings, your investments, and future expenses in order to determine the best strategy for ensuring a stable and comfortable retirement. So, can AI be used to help you plan your retirement? Well, the short answer is yes, AI can play a role in retirement planning. However, it's important to note that AI is not a replacement for professional financial advice, and it's always a good idea to consult with a financial advisor before making any major decisions about your retirement. Now, AI can be useful in a number of ways when it comes to retirement planning. For example, AI algorithms can be used to analyze your financial data, make predictions about your future income and expenses, and this can help you better understand your current financial situation and identify areas that you might need to make changes in order to reach your retirement goals. AI can also be used to develop a personalized retirement plan based on your individual circumstances. By considering factors such as your age, income, and savings, AI can generate a customized plan that takes into account your unique goals and needs. Additionally, AI can help you track your progress to your retirement goals and make adjustments as needed. For example, if your investments are not performing as well as expected, AI can suggest alternative strategies that may be more effective. That is what AI says that it can do for you. How do I know? Because that is literally what AI just said they can do for you. I asked ChatGPT, the new AI platform that has been all over the place lately, to generate a YouTube script about whether or not AI can plan your retirement, and that was the exact script they came up with. AI is getting good, but can it deliver personal financial advice? Let's find out. I asked ChatGPT a few common questions that we get all the time about retirement planning. So let's see what they came up with. The first question I asked was, when should I start my Social Security benefits? Pretty common question we get all the time. The response I got was, there is no one-size-fits-all answer to this question, as the optimal time to start receiving Social Security benefits depend on a number of factors, including your current financial situation, your retirement goals, and your overall health. In general, however, you are eligible to start receiving Social Security benefits at age 62, although the amount you receive may be less than if you waited until your full retirement age, which is between 66 and 67, depending on the year you were born. Okay, well, that really wouldn't help a real person seeking financial advice. That's like asking a mechanic how often should you get your car serviced, and the response they give you is, getting your car serviced can help your car last longer. Thanks, but no thanks. That's not what I asked for. Okay, let's try again. This time, I asked the most common question that I get pretty much daily. How much do I need to retire? Well, this is what almost everyone wants to know. So let's see what it came up with. There is no one-size-fits-all answer to this question, as everyone's retirement savings needs are different. Some factors that can affect how much you need to save for retirement include your expected retirement age, how long you expect to be retired, your desired standard of living in retirement, and potential sources of income you will have in retirement, such as Social Security, or pension. Once again, it's not wrong, but for someone who really wants to know, that answer would just be frustrating. When someone asks me that question, I always say, let's find out, because it's a number that is specific to each individual and does take planning to really figure out what exactly each person needs. So far, pretty sure AI is 0 for 2, but it's a really good search engine. And when it comes to delivering personal advice, to me, it's just not there yet, but let's give it one more chance. The last question I asked was one that I actually got a few weeks ago from a person who was asking about becoming a client. The question was, my investment portfolio is down, what changes should I make? The AI response was, it's not possible for me to give specific advice on your investment portfolio without more information. In general, it's important to regularly review your portfolio to make sure it aligns with your investment goals and risk tolerance. This may involve rebalancing your assets, selling off underperforming investments, and diversifying your portfolio. It's also a good idea to consult with a financial advisor or planner who can provide personalized advice based on your unique situation. I think that sums it up best. AI has gotten a lot better and continues to improve, but when it comes to personal advice, I think it still has a long way to go. For most clients, they aren't interested in asking our team a question and getting back a chatbot answer, even if that answer is the correct one. For most people to feel comfortable, they typically want to know not just the answer to their questions, but they want to know how that answer pertains to their specific circumstances. When I think about whether or not AI will replace me, I don't think it will. Well, at least I hope not. But I think AI will be a great tool for advisors and clients to have access to. To me, it's like a much better search engine. Where I do see AI fitting in is helping people's career and making them more productive. Now, I think this is going to be a big challenge for people in the education space because I asked AI to come up with a 2,000-word essay on the meaning of life, and within a minute, it cranked out what to me it looked like a pretty good essay. It makes me wish that it was around when I was in school because book reports on the grapes of wrath would have been a lot easier. Thanks for watching, and thanks for hitting that subscribe button. If you need help when it comes to your retirement and you want a personalized approach, use the link in the description below and let's schedule some time with a member of our team. Now, the last thing I asked you to do was write a joke about retirement. Here's the joke. What are the 3 worst things about retirement? No more free coffee at work. You actually have to do all the chores you used to complain about, and realizing that happy hour now means that you have to take a nap at 4 p.m. So, looks like AI won't be getting its own Netflix special anytime soon. Now, when it comes to the worst things about retirement, make sure you check out this video on the 5 worst things to do after you retire. I'll see you there.